Road construction and repair, Lapu-lapu City, Cebu area. Made easily. Watch, comments, follow, like, and share at Dropshake Vlog. Subscribe.
Road construction plays a crucial role in the development and maintenance of a city's infrastructure. It involves the planning, design, and implementation of new roads, as well as the repair and improvement of existing ones. Road construction projects are undertaken to accommodate the growing population, enhance transportation efficiency, and ensure the safety of motorists and pedestrians. During road construction, various activities take place, including excavation, grading, paving, and installation of drainage systems. These processes aim to create a smooth and durable road surface that can withstand heavy traffic and adverse weather conditions. Additionally, road construction projects often involve the construction of bridges, tunnels, and intersections to facilitate the flow of vehicles and pedestrians. Road construction projects can cause temporary inconveniences such as traffic congestion and detours. However, the long-term benefits outweigh these short-term challenges. Improved roads enhance connectivity, reduce travel time, and boost economic growth by facilitating the movement of goods and services. Additionally, road construction projects create job opportunities and stimulate the local economy. To ensure the success of road construction projects, careful planning and coordination are essential. City authorities work closely with engineers, contractors, and other stakeholders to develop comprehensive plans that consider factors such as traffic patterns, environmental impact, and community needs. Regular inspections and maintenance are also conducted to ensure the longevity and safety of the roads. In conclusion, road construction is a vital aspect of urban development. It plays a significant role in improving transportation infrastructure, enhancing connectivity, and promoting economic growth. While road construction projects may cause temporary disruptions, the long-term benefits contribute to the overall progress and well-being of the city and its residents. Enjoy walking on a road. Here are some resources that provide information about road construction. 1. Basic components of road structure and method of construction. This article discusses the basic components of road structure, road pavement layers, and methods of road construction. 2. Build. Road projects to expect in the Philippines. This article provides information about the roads that are expected to open in the Philippines in the coming years. It includes new roads in Metro Manila and nearby provinces under the Build program, as well as other DPWH road projects. 3. Road construction. Pavement types, methods, and designs. This guide introduces the fundamentals of road design and construction. It discusses the different road construction methods and the types of pavement involved, along with key design considerations such as how to optimize pavements to reduce costs and carbon footprints. 4. What materials are used for road construction? This article explains the materials used in road construction, including asphalt, concrete, composite pavement, and recycled materials. 5. MS Road Works SDN BHD. MS Road Works SDN BHD is a company with nearly 30 years of experience in roadworks construction. There are several methods used in road construction. Here are some of them. 1. Rigid pavement construction. This method involves the use of a single layer, often made of materials like concrete. 2. Flexible pavement construction. This method typically involves multiple layers. The materials used can vary, but asphalt is commonly used. 3. Planning and design. This method requires detailed planning and design, including project concept determination, funding identification, and preliminary engineering. The project's needs must be established to devise a budget and source funding before designing the road. 4. Demolition and clearing. This is often the first step in road construction. It involves the removal of any existing structures or obstacles on the proposed road site. 5. Asphalt road construction. This is a popular method of road construction. It involves the use of asphalt as the primary material for the road surface. 6. Use of different materials. A wide variety of materials are used in the construction of roads. These include soils naturally occurring or processed aggregates, fine aggregates or coarse aggregates obtained from rocks, binders like lime, bituminous materials, and cement, and miscellaneous materials used as admixtures for improved performance of roads under heavy loads. Please note that the specific methods and materials used can vary depending on the specific requirements of the road being constructed. Admixtures are materials other than the basic ingredients of concrete aggregate, water, and cement that are added to enhance the performance of the concrete. Here are examples of different types of admixtures used in road construction. 1. Accelerating admixtures. These are used to speed up the rate of concrete hardening, which can be particularly useful in cold weather. 2. Retarding admixtures. These are used to slow down the rate of concrete hardening, which can be beneficial in hot weather or for complex pours that require more time. 3. Air entraining admixtures. These introduce tiny air bubbles into the concrete, which can improve its workability and resistance to freeze-thaw cycles. 4. Water-reducing admixtures. These enhance the workability of concrete by reducing the water content without compromising its performance. They are typically based on substances like lineosulfonates, polycarboxylates, or melamine formaldehyde. 5. Grouting admixtures. These are used to improve the flow and reduce the water content of grout materials. 6. Air detraining admixtures. These are used to remove unwanted air from the concrete, which can improve its strength and durability. Accelerating admixtures are used in road construction to speed up the rate of concrete hardening. They are particularly useful in situations where early strength gain is desired or in cold weather conditions where concrete may take longer to set and gain strength naturally. Here's how accelerating admixtures are used in road construction. 1. Reduced construction time. By using accelerating admixtures, the concrete sets and gains strength more quickly. This allows for reduced construction time as the road can be opened to traffic sooner. 2. Cold weather construction. In cold weather conditions, concrete may take longer to set and gain strength naturally. Accelerating admixtures help to overcome this challenge by promoting the early strength development of the concrete, allowing road construction to proceed even in colder temperatures. 3. Early strength gain. Accelerating admixtures enhance the early strength gain of the concrete, enabling faster formwork removal and reducing the time required for curing. This can be beneficial in road construction projects where quick turnaround time is essential. 4. Improved workability. Accelerating admixtures can improve the workability of concrete, making it easier to handle and place during road construction. This can lead to better compaction and overall quality of the road surface. 5. Increased durability. The use of accelerating admixtures can result in concrete with improved durability and resistance to freeze-thaw cycles. This is important in road construction, as roads are exposed to various weather conditions and heavy traffic loads. It's worth noting that the dosage and application of accelerating admixtures should be carefully controlled to achieve the desired results without compromising the overall performance and durability of the road construction.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
for watching.